Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD player, automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, stability control, traction control, and OnStar. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options.